Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So students, till now we have completed our chapter number 1, that is nutrition in plants. And today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chemical reactions, chapter number 4. Before starting this chapter, I just want to recall a topic that we have already done in grade 6, that is changes around us. So, how many of you are remembering this? We have done in 6th grade changes around us, where we have studied that a lot of changes are taking place around us, and we have categorized those changes into 2 types. First, physical changes, and second, chemical changes. So, physical changes were those changes in which no new substances are formed. So, physical changes are what? Those changes in which no new substances are formed, but there can be a change in the shape, size, state of the substance. Whereas in chemical change, what happens? New substances are formed. Let us take example. For physical change, we can take example melting of ice. So in this case, first we are having what? Ice. It is converted into water. And students, both ice and water are made up of what? H2O molecules. That means no new substance is formed, but the change is what? The ice is in the form of solid state, whereas water is what? Liquid state. So, physical changes are those changes in which no new substances are formed, but there can be a change in state, shape, size. Whereas in chemical changes, for example, we take burning of paper. First, we are having water, paper, and then we have to enlighten it. It start burning, and after burning, it leaves its what? Ash. And when we are burning this paper, the paper is combining with what? Oxygen present in the atmosphere, and it is producing what? Ash, smoke, or we can say that carbon dioxide plus ash plus heat. As in paper, what is present? Carbon. So we can say that chemical changes are those changes in which new substances are formed. Initially we are having a paper, and when we burn this paper, the carbon present in the paper combine with the oxygen and gives us what? Carbon dioxide, that we can see in the form of smoke. Ash is produced plus, heat is produced. Okay, so now coming to our chapter's name, what is a chemical reaction. So students, when see one or more substances undergo a chemical change to produce one or more new substances, then the change can be called as a chemical reaction, as we have seen in case of what? Burning of paper. Or in short form we can say that if we are having two substances initially A and B, both combine with each other, or we can say that both react with each other, they form. The symbol means they form. What we are getting after A and B are reacting, we get two substances, say C plus D. So students, this is what? This is a short form by which you can write your chemical reaction, and this short form is known as what? Chemical equation. This equation is telling you that A and B both are reacting with each other and gives you what? Two new substances that are C plus D. And here these two substances that are present before change are known as what? Reactants. And the substances that we are getting after the change are known as what? Products. So we can say that reactants are what? The substances that are present before the reaction, and products are the substances that are formed after the reaction. Okay? Hope this concept is clear to you all. This is all for our today's lecture. From this, I want to give you homework that first list at least 5 changes of each change of each, that is physical and chemical changes. Second is define chemical reaction. B, reactants. C, products. Okay students, goodbye, have a nice day.